Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Bank of America, beginner guide step by step clearly. To save effectively with Bank of America, start by opening a savings account. Visit the Bank of America website or nearest branch to explore account options. Select a savings account that suits your financial goals. Fill out the application, providing your personal information. Deposit the minimum required amount to activate your account. Next, set a savings goal to motivate your saving habits. Choose a specific amount to save each month. Use automatic transfers to move funds from checking to savings. Monitor your account regularly to track your progress. Take advantage of tools like the budgeting tool offered by Bank of America. Consider enrolling in the Keep the Change program to save spare change. This program rounds up your purchases and transfers the difference to savings. Keep an eye on your savings interest rate to maximize your earnings. Research potential promotions that may enhance your savings account benefits. Stay informed about any fees associated with your account. Adjust your budget as needed to ensure you can maintain regular savings. If possible, increase your monthly contributions as your financial situation improves. Review your savings progress every few months. Make adjustments to your savings goals as necessary. Celebrate your milestones to stay motivated on your savings journey. Utilize Bank of America's mobile app for easy account management. Stay committed to a consistent saving routine for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.